Well, hello to everyone out there in YouTube land. I hope that everybody's doing well. I'm doing pretty good. Thank you so much for asking. So I want to just jump in here quickly. A lot of us know this. Some of us know it and use it, and some of us know it and don't use it. But I wanted to encourage us, if you are one who cannot stand the smell of vinegar, which dissipates, the scent does dissipate or whatever, there's a way, that will totally basically eliminate the smell, and that is through like basically infusing the vinegar in like a citrus or whatever, making your a cleaner or whatever it is. And that's what I use basically in my kitchen, on my floors, on my counters, in the sink, on dishes and stuff like that as well. Stove, cleaning down everything, like my deep clean. Of course, sometimes you use some diluted bleach or whatever, but for your maintenance, this is really a good cleaner. And it's been proven to, that it does kill, germs and stuff like that. But nonetheless, so what I did, like this one, was all lemon, and I've been using it. But what happened was I just noticed a couple of nice oranges that were going bad, so I just cut the bad part off of it, which is what happened to this lemon too. That's how I got this couple of lemons that were in here initially. Because there were some parts that were bad on it. So I just cut the bad parts off. And then I said, well, let me just make a lemon cleaner, which came in handy because the day it was ready, I had some foolishness in my refrigerator that I had to just jump in and just clean the whole thing out. I had to take everything out, and it was just a mess. And I was not in the mood. Well, I shouldn't say not in the mood. I wasn't prepared to clean it, but I had to clean it. But anyway, it was ready. It takes about 15 days. You can go longer if you like, but it takes about 15 days. And what you would do is strain it once you're done, but I haven't done that yet. I just took some out and diluted it in my trusty water bottle or spray bottle and whatnot. So the other day I did another one because I would cut up some limes to put in the freezer, and some of them had some spots on them. I said, well, let me just throw them into some vinegar or whatever. And just the same thing happened just now. It was two nice juicy oranges that had some bad spots on them, so I cut them off, and then I packed this one with some of the oranges, and then here, I mean, the ones that were overflow, there were too many. I could have smashed them down in there. I just threw them in here. But what happens is, you don't smell any of the the vinegar once you do this, to soak them or infuse them or whatever. You don't smell the vinegar. Let me make sure I'm saying this and it's true. Because another, yeah, you really don't smell it. It smells just like, well, you might not like that either. But anyway, it's good for you. It's not about what we like, don't like, or don't like. It's what's good for us. Just like the castor oil our parents made us drink, or just like the spanking you got that when you was doing something you didn't have any business doing. But nonetheless, yeah. So because normally what I would do, or in addition, I'll put my vinegar in here and maybe half water, half vinegar, and I put my different essential oils in here and use that. I'll use either I'll use peroxide and the water and the essential oil. I'll use alcohol, water, and essential oil, and I'll use, like I said, the vinegar. And be careful with the alcohol because alcohol, rubbing alcohol is very flammable, so you have to be very careful with that. But yeah, so I just want to encourage us. Like I said, I'm making this, and this is going to be about 15 days. This is the orange. This is the lemon. I mean, the lime, and the lemon was done. Well, it's done, but I added more orange to it, so now I'm going to let it sit a little bit longer. And like I said, you would and I, and like I said, you could when it's ready, you can strain it because you don't want these in your what's my you'll strain it off, put it in your bottle or container, whatever cleaning thing you use. So anyway, hopefully this has been a good homemaking life skill, lifestyle, way of life tip for you. So hopefully, because I know, like I said, this one lady, she was like, "Oh, I use it, but I can't stand the smell of it or whatever." But if you infuse it like this, it's better. The smell is less potent or whatever than just using it like this. But yeah, so anyway, hope this has helped you, and let me know if you do use vinegar in your home, and what do you use vinegar for? Do you use it in your laundry as a what do you call it, fabric softener or whatever? Do you use it as your bleach or whatever? Let me know what you do, because I don't. Well, I'm not gonna say what I don't like, but anyway, let me know how you use vinegar in your home, or you use it to pickle. You use it when you're canning or pickling your food or whatever. Also, so I'll talk to you guys later. Bye bye for now.